Hey y'all, I'm Brittany. Welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight I'm going to be attempting beef tips and gravy. Last time I tried it in my crock pot, I made a video. Y'all might have seen it already. It turned into more of like a beef stew, and that wasn't what I was looking for, but I still linked the recipe down below. Tonight I'm just winging it. So here's what I've done so far. So I have about 2 pounds of beef stew meat in my Dutch oven. And I have it seasoned with just regular garlic salt, cavenders, and white pepper. I'm going to let this cook on low. I have it on about a 4, which is kind of like a medium low for my stove. So I'm just going to let those cook, let them slowly brown, and whenever that's ready, we will be back. Okay, so y'all, I just realized I should have been browning this on high first so I can get those nice brown bits on the bottom. That's okay. I have it up on high now, and I'm going to see if I can get them to brown a little bit more than what they are. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Let me get it to where it's not going to fog up my lens. But that's what they look like so far. And like I said, I'm going to see if I can get them to brown a little more. That way I can get that nice savory flavor. Let's see what happens. Now this is kind of more of what we want. See, we're getting that nice golden brown on the bottom, and that's going to create a lot of your flavor. I am going to go ahead and put in, I've got 1/4 cup of flour, and this is what's going to start building your thick gravy. Get it all nice and coated. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of butter. This is salted, I believe, but you can use unsalted, whatever you'd like. Got my butter in there. It's already melting. Now I'm going to get 4 cups of water, I believe. So I was wrong. It's 2 cups. I'm just going to slowly stir that in. And I'm going to get all that nice brown stuff up off the bottom. It looks like it's not doing anything right now, but it will. And we will be back in just a minute. Well, actually, I'll continue to pour this in real quick so y'all can watch. See, it's coming off, and it's already making a nice golden color gravy. And I'm going to keep scraping at this. And then I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of beef bouillon. That's what this looks like. I have all the goodies scraped up off the bottom. I have our flour and I have our water. Now I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of our beef bouillon powder. If not, you can use the cubes. It's fine. Either way, it's the same. Alright, I'm going to stir this in really good. Make sure it's not all clumpy. And then I am going to put my lid on this, and I'm going to let it cook low and slow. And I'm going to check it about every 30 minutes. So we will be right back in about 30 minutes. It's been about 45 minutes. And look at how much thicker it's got. And I tasted a little bit, and y'all, it tastes amazing. I'll put down in the description what I have done today. I'm going to let it continue to slow cook. I've got it on my lowest setting for probably about another 30 or 45 minutes so the meat gets tender. All right, y'all, so it's been another 45 minutes to an hour. Honestly, I haven't really been... Hang on, baby. Honestly, I haven't really been keeping track, but this is what it looks like, and it tastes really good. Here it is. Look at how good that looks, y'all. The meat is really tender. The gravy has so much flavor. And like I said, I will put it in the description what I did. And approximately, okay, baby, the seasonings that I used in here, the measurements and stuff. I don't really ever measure anything, but I will try my hardest to tell y'all. Now, usually with beef tips and gravy, we make it with like egg noodles or rice. Unfortunately, I realized that I am out of both. So I thought mashed potatoes. Well, I'm out of potatoes, but I realized in the pantry we do have some instant mashed potatoes. Not ideal, but that is what I'm going to whip up real quick to put this over. And as soon as I do that, we're going to give it a try together. That way we can see how it all tastes. Alright, y'all. And that is the end result. We added some noodles too. Y'all have a good one. I'll catch you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.